हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं सभी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम ऑन माय चैनल साइंस वाला। आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं क्लास 10th केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर सेकंड एसिड बेस एंड सोल्ट्स का पार्ट सेकंड। इन दिस पार्ट वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बेसिस एंड देयर केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड ऑल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंडिकेटर्स। सो लेट्स बिगिन द चैप्टर। Bases. In general, the substance which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. वो substance जो खाने में कड़वे होते हैं और soapy to touch चिकने होते हैं टच करने पर, they are known as bases. This is a general definition, but important one definition according to hydroxide concept, and it is also known as Arrhenius concept of bases. Bases are those substances which gives hydroxyl ion or OH negative ion easily when dissolved in water are called bases. वो सब्सटेंस जो हमें पानी में डिजोल्व हो जाते हैं, आसानी से घुल जाते हैं और घुलने के बाद में पानी में हमें देते हैं हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन एंड ब्रेक डाउन इनटू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव आयंस, दे आर नोन एज बेसिस. फॉर एग्जांपल, sodium hydroxide and water. When the sodium hydroxide dissolved in water, it's dissociate into sodium ions and hydroxide ions. Now the properties of bases. They are bitter in taste. टेस्ट में कड़वे होते हैं. दे आर सोपी टू टच, चिकने होते हैं. दे आर स्पेरिंगली सोल्यूबल इन वाटर, पानी में आधे घुलनशील होते हैं, पूरी तरह से घुलते नहीं हैं. दे टर्न्स रेड लिटमस टू ब्लू. They turns red litmus to blue, but acid turns blue to red. They react with the metals to give hydrogen gas. Similarly, the acid react with the active metals to give hydrogen gas, and the most reactive strong bases react with the metals to give hydrogen gas. They turns universal pH indicator from green to blue, but acid turns green to red. Strong bases are corrosive in nature. They harm our skin and etc. other things. वाटर सोल्यूबल बेसिस आर कॉल्ड अल्कलीज. जो पानी में घुलने वाले बेस उन्हें हम कहते हैं अल्कलीज कहते हैं. दे एक्ट एज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इन सोल्यूशन. दे एक्ट एज अ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इन सोल्यूशन बिकॉज दे आर डिसोसिएटेड टू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव आयंस, एंड वी नो दैट आयंस आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन द लिक्विड स्टेट और इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. They neutralize the solution containing H ions. How they neutralize? H positive and OH negative both are combined. OH from acid and OH from bases, they are combined together to form H2O, form the neutralized solution. They dissolve the fatty or oily substance in it. They can use to remove the dirt and etc. things. Now classification of the bases and types of bases. On the basis of their strength, bases are classified as strong bases. The bases which are completely dissociate into their ions in aqueous solution are called strong bases, and they are completely soluble also. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide are strong bases. They are dissolved in water and completely dissociate into sodium and hydroxide, potassium and hydroxide respectively. Weak bases, the bases which do not completely dissociate or partially dissociate into their ions in aqueous solution are called weak bases. That means sparingly soluble. For example, ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. When dissolved in water, not completely dissolved in water and not completely dissociate into their ions, ammonium ion or hydroxyl ion. On the basis of their concentration, bases are classified as dilute bases having the low concentration, concentrated acid having the high concentration in a given solution. For example, 1 mole of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1 liter of water is dilute as compared to 20 mole of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1 liter of water. 1 mole sodium hydroxide, 20 mole sodium hydroxide is more concentrated. Now uses of bases. Sodium hydroxide is used to manufacture the soap, paper and synthetic fiber like rayon in industries. Calcium hydroxide is used in manufacture of bleaching powder. CaOCl2. CaOCl2 is a bleaching powder. It is formed from silicate-lime or calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also used to clean the sulfur dioxide which is caused by the exhaust that is found in the power plants and factories. जो एग्जॉस्ट इन धुएं के रूप में सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड निकली, उसको क्लीन करने के लिए किसका यूज किया जाता है? कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का. रीजन, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज अ बेस, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इज अ एसिडिक नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड. दे रिएक्ट टू ईच अदर, फॉर्म द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यूज एज एंटासिड टू न्यूट्रलाइज द एक्सेस ऑफ एसिड इन स्टमक. सोडियम कार्बोनेट इज यूज टू सॉफ्टनिंग द हार्ड वाटर. खारे पानी को मीठा बनाने के लिए, सॉफ्टनिंग द हार्ड वाटर. सोडियम हाइड्रोजन carbonate and baking soda. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove the grease and stains from the clothes. Now, when we dissolve the strong bases like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide into water, cause the highly exothermic reaction. Like as a acid dissolved in water cause the highly exothermic reaction, enhance the temperature of solution. What do the all bases have common? We know that all bases have common is hydroxide ion. See, all acid having the common H ion, but all bases have common hydroxide ions. Now chemical properties of bases. Strong bases react with the metal to give hydrogen gas. Strong bases react with the metal to give hydrogen gas. When a metal reacts with a strong base to give salt and hydrogen gas. Metal plus base, salt and hydrogen gas. When the zinc metal reacts with the sodium hydroxide form sodium zincate. Metal, non-metal salt, hydrogen gas. Aluminium react with the sodium hydroxide form sodium aluminate. आपकी दो ही रिएक्शन सिलेबस में, तो आपको दो को ही लर्न करना है यहाँ पे. Bases are react with the non-metallic oxide to give salt and water because non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature. When the base react with the acidic oxide to give the salt and water. Calcium hydroxide gives carbon dioxide plus carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate and water. Sodium hydroxide, sulfur trioxide, sodium sulfate and water. Next is neutralization reaction. The reaction in which acids react with base to give salt and water is called neutralization reaction. वो रिएक्शन जिसमें एसिड बेस के साथ रिएक्ट करता है, सोल्ट और वाटर बनाता है, उसे हम कहते हैं न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. In neutralization reaction, H ion of the acid and the OH ion from base combine together to form water. See, mechanism of neutralization reaction. Acid plus base gives salt and water. Hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide gives NaCl and water. So first we dissolve the HCl in water, they dissociate into chlorine ion and H ion. When we dissolve the sodium hydroxide in water, they break down into OH and H ions. And these two form the NaCl, these two combine to form the water. That means cation from base and anion from acid combine together to form salt, and cation from acid and anion from base form the water. That is H ion from acid and OH ion from base combine together to form water. This is a general mechanism of neutralization reaction. Our next concept is concept of indicators. The substances which are used to indicate the given solution is acidic or basic are called indicators. वो सब्सटेंस जो हमें गिवन सॉल्यूशन को इंडिकेट करने में हेल्प करते हैं कि सॉल्यूशन एसिडिक है या बेसिक है, और कुछ गिवन कलर्स हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं, आर कॉल्ड इंडिकेटर्स. टाइप्स ऑफ इंडिकेटर्स. फर्स्ट आर नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स. द नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स सब्सटेंस which give the change in color with the acid and base are to indicate them. First is litmus solution. It is obtained from a plant named lichen. Original color of lichen plant blue. Litmus solution is blue. In acid, blue to red. In base, red to blue. In the salt, no color change. Turmeric or haldi. It is obtained to dissolve the turmeric in water. Original color yellow. In acid, no color change. In base, reddish orange. In salt, no color change. China rose solution. It is prepared from the China rose petals dissolved in lukewarm water. जब हाफ वार्म वाटर होता है, ल्यूक वार्म वाटर में उसे डिजोल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा, उसमें से कलर छोड़ देंगे, पेटल्स का जूस निकल जाएगा. दैट इज लाइट पिंक इन कलर. व्हेन कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ एसिड गिव्स द डार्क पिंक एंड मेजेंटा, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मरून कलर. इन द बेस लाइट पिंक टू ग्रीन. इन द सॉल्ट्स नो कलर चेंज. नेक्स्ट इज olfactory indicators. The indicators which change the smell when they comes in contact with acids and bases are called olfactory indicators. Onion juice, clove oil and vanilla extract are known as olfactory indicators. Onion, clove oil and vanilla extract do not change the smell when they comes in contact of acid. जैसे एसिड के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं तो कोई स्मेल नहीं देंगे, बट देन दे कैन comes contact in bases, they change their smell. Third is synthetic indicators. The man-made substances which detect the acid and bases with the characteristics color change are called synthetic indicators. For example, first is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein indicator solution. Original color colorless. In acid colorless. In base colorless to pink. In salt colorless. Methyl orange. Original color orange. In acid gives pink color. In base gives yellow color. In salt orange color. Methyl red solution. Original color red. In acid yellow. In base red. In salts red color. I hope you all are understand the concepts. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon for upcoming notification. Thank you and have a nice day.